Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 game not working, not opening, keep stopping, crashing or crashes startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on iOS devices such as iPhone and iPad. So without wasting time, here follow the solutions very carefully. Now the first solution is to restart or reboot your iPhone. So long press either volume key and side key until you see the power off slider. Drag the slider, your device will turn off in 30 seconds. Now press and hold side button until the Apple logo appears. Now your device will turn on and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to check for EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app update. So open App Store, search for EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Switch to mobile data if you are connected to a Wi-Fi and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop or force close the EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app. So on the home screen, swipe up from the bottom and stop in the middle of the screen. Look for EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app by swiping right or left. Swipe up to close the app. Now go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 5 is to clear EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app cache. So navigate to settings, general iPhone storage. Look for EA Sports FC Saucer Mobile 26 app and then tap on it. Then tap on offload app and then click on reinstall app and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to update your device. So on your iPhone, go to settings, general software update, and if any update is available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your device and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 7 is to connect to a VPN. So open App Store and search for VPN and install any VPN from the App Store such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfstar VPN, etc. and launch the VPN app and then select different location and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to reinstall EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app. So from the app library, tap and hold the EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app, then click on delete app and then click on delete to confirm it. Now just restart your device and then after your device restart, open App Store, search for EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app, then tap on the install button or get button to reinstall it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if none of the solution work for you, then last thing you must do is to check for the EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app server status. It could be possible that the EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app server is down, having outages or under maintenance. In such scenario, you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later and try to open EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve EA Sports FC Soccer Mobile 26 app not working, not opening, keep stopping, crashing, crashes at startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on iOS devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.